Hello, today I received a letter with not with a paper inside, but with this. So little reflectors to put on a drone. In this case I will put in this drone the Parrot Bebop 2 power, because it's all black, and if it falls somewhere it could be easy to find it with these reflectors on it. But you can use it on any other drone or any other whatever you want to use, but in this case I will use in this drone. Let's see it. Search and recovery. Drone reflector kits. Losing a drone isn't a fun thing. They experience failures and control can fly away with a drone. There are several types of devices that help recover a lost drone. If a location aid wasn't on board, it can be very difficult to locate even during the daylight hours. While GPS, cellular and RF trackers are invaluable, they do have limitations and can be expensive. Combining multiple layers of recovery aids drastically increases any possible recovery, especially if a primary means goes down. Adding another layer is easy and inexpensive. A simple and proven location system for nighttime search and recovery are drone reflector kits. Always ready like magic, drone reflector kits reflect LED light sources very brightly, easily spotted by searchers in the sky or on the ground. Months of research and testing materials resulted in the best reflectors with the most reflective ability. The iProGlow drone reflectors are extremely reflective from any angle and can be seen from very far distances. Even a low output LED flashlight can cause very bright reflections from the reflectors at night. These reflectors never need batteries, nor will they fail if the drone loses power. Wi-Fi interface was also a consideration while testing. Some available reflective materials caused signal interference between the drone and operator and shortened flight distance considerably. The drone reflector kits offered here do not impact Wi-Fi signal communication. The drone reflector kits are easy to apply to any drone surface and can be cut to fit whatever. Apply a reflector kit to your drone while you still have a chance.